This is the fourth competition of an unprecedented chopped event. Three sensational chefs have already claimed their place in the $50,000 grand finale. Now, four new outstanding returning champs face off for the very last spot.
The bar has been raised. This is a very intense competition. It's champion, 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 and I'm going to be the final man standing.
All right, chefs, the smoked kippers, they are cold smoked, but they need to be cooked.
Oh. Ted tells us that the fish is raw, but you know what? We eat raw fish all the time, and I'm gonna go for it.
You know the rules from last time, chefs. 3 rounds, mandatory mystery ingredients. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. But if you win, your prize will be securing the very last spot in the grand finale competition, where you will compete for $50,000. Please open your baskets. And for the appetizer course, we have smoked kippers, water chestnuts, leeks, and lemon lime soda. Exactly 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
Over. The bar has been raised. This is a very intense competition. It's champion, 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 and I'm going to be the final man standing. Now, I want to make a great appetizer, so I'm pulling together a fish cake with a lemon lime soda, barbecue sauce, and a leek and water chestnut salad.
The last time I was here, I was in a show with all women, and now I'm with all men. But I don't feel threatened at all. I decided to go with my roots right off the bat. My mom makes an amazing traditional Polish latke, just flour and eggs, usually a red onion, but I've decided to use the leeks instead.
There's the sesame oil. Last time I was on the show, I set the bar much higher for chefs.
Kind chef.
And every time that I make something, I want the judges to say, wow, I never would have thought about that. So I'm going to do soda tempura, water chestnut vinaigrette, and leek puree.
Get your back, chef. Last time I was here, I played it a little safe in the appetizer round. This time around, I'm gonna take some serious risks. So I'm like, bang, tartare, water chestnuts, lemon lime soda, gastrique, melted leeks.
My fish cakes. They're golden on one side, but they're rare. And I wait until I hear Ted say 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Mario, please tell the judges about your dish.
What I made for you guys today is tempura kippers with a leek puree and a water chestnut vinaigrette.
Next, we have Chef Rebecca.
Hi, chefs. Today I created for you a leek chestnut potato pancake served with a kipper sour cream and a lemon soda vinaigrette.
Next, we have Chef Christian.
Hey guys, today I prepared a Mediterranean-style kipper tartare with water chestnuts, lemon lime soda gastrique, and melted leeks.
And finally, Chef Rick.
I made a crunchy smoked kipper cake with a Vietnamese herb, apple, and leek salad, and a hot sweet and sour vinaigrette.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
It's all good.
Chef Christian, you have been chopped.
Christian, ultimately, we decided that your dish needed to be chopped, not because of your choice to not cook the fish, but instead because of your choice in how you dressed it. You took a very salty and oily fish and you added copious amounts of oil, salt, and you rendered it really inedible after a couple of bites. And for that reason, we have to let you go.
You'll be seeing me sometime soon. Don't worry about it.
Chef Mario, Chef Rebecca, Chef Rick, please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are caperberries, parsley root, chocolate-hazelnut spread, and elk tenderloin. You will have 30 minutes this time, and the clock starts now.
So I decide to do this, a dish that I've made in my restaurant many times. It's a venison with a red wine chocolate sauce, using the chocolate hazelnut spreads and the elk instead of the venison.
I totally had a plan as soon as I saw the ingredients. I knew I wanted to do a grain to mix it up a little bit. I cook risotto at Beehive probably a case a week, so so I'm pretty comfortable cooking risotto.
When I saw the parsley root, I decided to use it in 3 applications. One as a puree, one as fried chips, and the other as a fresh parsley salad.
Because the plates are a little concave, the red wine sauce starts to run. And the artist in me doesn't want that to happen. So I quickly scoop out the mashed potatoes and kind of put them between the 2 sauces to keep them apart.
Just seconds remain on the clock, chefs.
When Ted called out, I looked up and I thought I was done. Then I was looking at the plate and I said, oh snap, where's the chocolate hazelnut sauce?
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Rebecca, how did you put them all together?
Today, I did a hazelnut rubbed elk tenderloin served on top of a parsley root risotto with a caperberry pan jus.
Next up, Chef Rick.
I made a spice rub elk filet mignon with parsley root and russet mashed potatoes and a very simple parsley, fried caper, and roasted pepper salad.
Finally, Chef Mario.
For the entree round, I prepared a pan-roasted elk loin with parsley root, 3 preparations, and a hazelnut bordelaise.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Rebecca, you've been chopped.
Rebecca, your main course, we really felt that the risotto, although it was quite a risk to do, it backfired on you. It wasn't seasoned enough, overcooked, so unfortunately we had to chop you.
Thanks so much for having me.
Chef Mario, Chef Rick, you've made it all the way to this critical dessert round. Let's find out what you can do when you see what's inside these baskets. Please open them up. And the mandatory ingredients are taco shells, Basque pears, crema, and red curry paste. Exactly 30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I've never even made ice cream before. You know, championship round, this is risky. It's either gonna work or it's gonna fail miserably.
So I'm going to do like a mock taco. And I think the judges, when they see how whimsically I make it and how delicious it is, I'm gonna win this chopped championship.
Something's burning. I guess those almonds didn't make it.
Oh no! I run back from the refrigerators, and the pan that didn't get hot in the first round is so hot that it burned 3/4 of my almonds. Change it. So suddenly, the last minute becomes, once again, a fire drill.
1 minute, chefs. Two chopped champions fighting it out to the end. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Rick, does this dessert make sense as an ending to your meal?
Oh, yeah. We nicknamed this Ziggy Taco and the pear filling from Mars. So I filled the taco with a little bit of bitter chocolate, cooked the pears in the red curry with some honey, maple syrup.
And now we go to Chef Mario.
Alrighty, so here we have a tortilla-crusted pear with sherbet and a spicy red curry caramel.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Mario, you've been chopped.
Well, there it is.
You brought a real freshness, a real energy to the kitchen. But in the end, I think we felt that some of your dishes promised things that didn't wind up really being effectively present on the plate.
Okay.
For those reasons, we had to chop you.
I took risks, and I stick by that.
Great job, Chef.
Thanks.
And that means, Chef Rick, that you are, once again, the chopped champion.
All right! Woo!
Your prize, the last remaining spot in our grand finale competition where you will compete for $50,000.